Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kadang Pynkhreh banterwai ka rukom trekam ka batmai ha ka baidai bat ka kamti Dewïong da ka jingmu ban ailat ka jingti Dewïong lengma ki tonal Ryngkat ki core technology bamenta bat ki boit sayan ban wanra ya ka jingsingan jong kinong ti Dewïong ki barit bat ki bajuti ha ka rukom ka bale manchua ha kini kisi banwan on penlong ya ka jelang ha pedeng ki he officer jong ka Sorkar pedeng bat ka Sorkar Meghalaya ban bishar nia yakni ke jingterwa shwa banra shaw menteri katnat kol jong Sorkar India u menteri rang ba ka jalaw kwanrat ke sangma uloong ba ka Sorkar ka sngo ba ka jingti Dewïong da ka rukom open cast mining kamlong ka babyang na ka benta bun kinong ti Dewïong ren kumta ka jala ka dang wat ya kalat ban pentrekam ya ka tunnel mining ka baidai bat bayabyang bat ka jinglong jingman ka jala Ryngkat ki rukom jeda ki babyang ulo ongru baka Sorkar kadang bishar ya ka tunnel mining dak ba penon kam ya ka 3D mapping ban tip lupa ya ki jaka ki bama ban pen scam ya ki tunnel bat ban penon kam ya ki machine ki baren ki ba duna ka dor hendrei ki basengan ka jalla kala karpat ru ya ka union coal ministry ban wat ki kor bat ki teknologi ki babyang ban penduna ya ki jingma ha ka kamti Dewïong hapo ka rukom trekam ki babyang ban ya hunlang na ka benta ki paiba Katkum ka Sorkar jala palat arpu hajar tili ki par Dewïong ki don ha Meghalaya bat kalong ka ba ban pek ngor ya baro klem da don ka rukom trekam ka basai bat ka bala penbit penbiang ka Sorkar jala ka nget bala da don ka framework ka babyang la ban pentrekam ki kendon ki jingada bat ki jingti Dewïong kin bod ki kendon ha ka ju ka por ka Sorkar jala kala karpat ka Sorkar pedeng ban IT no katto kat ni ki bor hapo ka sections 26 jong ka mines and minerals development and regulation a knang baka jala kan la ban a jing menjori ki kot bat ki mining plan
So what we are discussing is that if the tunnel mining can be allowed in a manner in which modern technology like 3D mapping of areas which are of risk can be avoided. Certain spaces where miners can safely enter and measures where the mines can be protected and kept stable with infrastructures being created. At the same time, as I said, modern technology being used where small machines which are not very expensive and different parts of the world this kind of minings are happening. If those technologies can be brought in and at least a certain level where we can enter into the more safer provisions, but at the same time continuing with the aspect of tunnel mining where we can, as I said, use technology and ensure that the risks are neutralized. That is what we are proposing, and of course we have asked the coal ministry also to suggest us that what could be the possible technologies we could use, because we have been very clear to them that the feasibility of open cast mining in terms of the financial feasibility is not something that is working out for our miners, and it is leading to too many challenges for us. Even today as we speak, we have more than 22,000 mines in different parts of the state, and it is very, very difficult for us if we don't have a system, very difficult for us to monitor. But if we have a system, then at least we can ask people to follow that system, follow that process, and ensure that the safety of the miners is kept as one of the top priorities for us.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba Ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya